welcome to Live Dubai. Why hire an agent? So, why hire an agent? The reason we hire agents, and predominantly in Dubai, there's this weird circumstance or this weird perception that agents are all people who are out there to get you wire for your cash. But the thing is, when you have an agent, that agent has knowledge, that agent has market awareness, that agent has negotiation tactics and connections. So when you're looking to sell a property, rent a property, buy a property, contact somebody you trust. Work with one agent. I'm telling you, work with one agent. Don't just shop around, going to every person you want to see online on the portals, getting them to give you a deal, negotiating as a buyer. Why? Because agents take advantage of buyers. You don't understand the market. So hire an agent. That's the first thing I would tell you. Hire an agent, okay? Come find me, come talk to me, go find somebody that you know, go find somebody who's worked with an agent before. Get that person to work for you. It is our job to work for you, the buyer, the seller, the tenant.